Hello everyone, my name is Jene and you're watching Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Hey everyone, and good evening. My name is Jene and we're going to be doing an unbagging today. But before we get started, for those of you that are new to the channel or just stopping by, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you hear, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. If you do decide to subscribe, please don't forget to hit the indication bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. That bell is going to let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So everyone, I hope that you guys are having a wonderful, safe, and healthy holidays. Today is December 24th, Christmas Eve, and yeah, we're going to be spending it alone, not with family, but hopefully next year we will have all of our family members together, healthy and COVID-free. Keeping our fingers crossed. Okay, this is another painting from Amazon. I did open up the bag because I had other items in the bag that was not diamond painting related. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab the painting. This painting comes from Timmy's Arts, again off of Amazon, and it is a 14 by 12 inches. I ordered it on December 5th and I received it yesterday, December 23rd. The painting is called Tulips, and for some reason, besides the flamingo paintings, I have been really looking a lot at the flowers, and this one really caught my eye. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one, and let's see if I can just, oh boy. I was going to try and not have to use the scissors, but I'm thinking we're going to have to do it this way. And boy, is this bag not easy to get into. All right, I think I got into it. Let's see. No. This wrapping reminds me of someone. I'm not going to say it. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Wow, is this thing not wanting to open? I'm afraid I'm going to cut the canvas. All right. It's a mystery to me. This thing just does not want to open. Holy smokes. Success! I got it opened. Holy smokes. I don't think I've ever had that much trouble with one of these bags before. Okay, there it is. And let's go ahead and open this up. Wow. Okay, I guess I'm going to be cutting this too. Boy, I don't think they wanted me in this. This is crazy. Where is it? There it is. Here. All right. We're just going to cut it. Tonight, I just don't have the patience. I need a drink. I'm just kidding. All right. Let's pull it out. Boy, this is going to be kind of small compared to some of the paintings I have. Ooh, I like the feel of that canvas. Wow. All right. Jeez. Wow, that was a tough one. All right. Sorry, I just can't stop laughing. Okay, so we have the tool kit, which is a basic green tray, a fairly nice sized plate of wax, a blue single placer pen, and some Ziploc bags. And here are the drills. So we're just going to put those off to the side. And we're going to roll this the opposite direction and take a look at it. Wow, that's super soft back here. Okay. Ooh, can't wait to see this one. It's tiny, but that means it's going to work up really fast. All right. Here we go. And this is the first time I've purchased from this seller. I probably have already said that. I am so sorry if I'm repeating myself, but I'm kind of excited. Okay, let's take a look. There it is. What do you guys think? Isn't that pretty? I love tulips. That's one of my favorite flowers besides carnations. I love the smell of carnations, but tulips, they're really, really pretty on their own. And when I saw this painting, I thought, ooh, that's another must get. And I'm technically on a no-buy. You guys just wait. I've got paintings coming that I was like, what am I doing? Oh, that's okay. So those of you that are new to diamond painting, yes, the addiction is real. Okay, this is a 30 by 35 centimeter. It has 26 colors. It is a full round. And from what I can see, the drill field is amazing. And the schematic is just phenomenal. Very nice schematic. For a painting this size though, I believe having 2 schematics is not necessary, but it's always appreciated. But what we're gonna do, because this is the first time I've ever purchased from this store, we're gonna go ahead and measure and see if this painting is true to size. Now you guys normally don't see me do this. I usually do this behind the scenes, but because this is a new store and I just want to kind of get an idea if they are true to size. That way I give you a better first impression of what I think about it. So again, this is a 30 by 35 and definitely on centimeters. So I'm going to actually measure it a full canvas. And technically, what is this? This is 29, not quite 29 centimeters. And this is 33 centimeters. Definitely not true to size. No. So the drill area is actually 22 centimeters. And 26.5 centimeters. Wow, that's disappointing. Definitely not true to size. It is not a 30 by 35, even if you were to do the entire canvas. I'm not impressed with that. That's one thing. Okay. But I can overlook it because you know what? It is a pretty picture. We're going to flip this upside down. Let's take a look at the drills and that's if Jene can figure out how to open the bag. Where's the oh, there it is. Okay, I think. Oh. Wow, look at these colors. Wow, are these ever pretty colors? Okay, so I'm going to group them up in colors and then we'll show you the colors here. These are just gorgeous. Put those here, put those there. Oops. That there. Actually, I'm going to put these back here. It's a green. That there. This is an orange, green, and tans. That's a green. Wow, these are gorgeous. Okay, so let's do the tan colors first, and hopefully my camera, ooh, this is almost an open bag. That's not good. Hopefully my camera will focus in on these colors, because the other night, holy smokes, was I having arguments with my camera. These are DNC coated by the looks of them. So we've got a light yellow or a pastel yellow here. And that's $7.45. This is $6.77. A light tan. Very pretty. And then this is $9.45. So there's two of those. Bring that up. Very nice. Then we're going to do the yellows. Look at this color. This is $9.73. Woo, that's a nice yellow. Very pretty. And we got some more pastel yellows. So this is $7.44. That's $7.44. So here's $7.44. There we go. I was going to have to say a couple of choice words to my camera to make it focus. Because it was pulling it again. I thought, oh my gosh, here we go again. There's another pastel yellow, and it's still not going to focus in. There it goes. And this is $6.77. And we have $7.26. $7.42. I have 2 bags of these. There we go. And then we've got some beautiful corals here. And this is $38.24. So I have 2 bags of those. There we go. Then we have $6.08. $33.40. $7.20. $7.40. Wow, that's pretty. And I'm not an orangey person, but wow, is that ever pretty. And $33.41. There we go. That's a pretty color too. Okay, so let's do the reds. Just want to make sure I'm not showing you the same color over and over. I guess these are all the same, or all the, I guess these are all different. So we've got 814. This is 815, really nice red brick color. This I'm not really sure because they cut the number off. So I'm going to have to figure out which number this is. I think it is either 8, no wait a minute. It could be 9, excuse me. It could be 498, but it's really hard to see because like I said, they cut the number off. You can see right here, part of the number. But it's a very pretty color, and I'm pretty sure I'll figure out which one it is. This is 321. At least they didn't cut the entire number off. That's also 321. This is 666. Beautiful true red there. 350. And 606. Really nice colors, aren't they? So now we're going to do the greens. Again, I'm just going to toss over the ones that are the same number before I show them to you. Okay, so the first color is 935, a really dark green. Look at the sparkle in those, wow. 937, a dark olive green or leaf green. Very pretty. 905. There we go. I was giving it thoughts. All right, 906 and 907. Really beautiful colors. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to flip this back around, and I'm going to zoom the camera in so that we can take a look at the schematics in the drill area. So hold on. All right, so I'm just going to pull the plastic sheet over just a bit, and let's take a look at the schematics. Very, very clear. Those symbols look awesome. I don't see yet a symbol there that's going to give me any grief. And I don't see any symbols that look similar, so that's nice. So let's take a look at the drill area. Look at that. That looks really, really good. Oops, sorry for the glare. There we go. So the drill area looks really nice. Okay. And then we're going to move this up right there, and we're going to do the 1 finger sticky test. That's pretty good. Very nice. I'm very impressed with the drill field. I'm very impressed with their schematics. Their glue is very tacky. Very pleased with that. So let's go ahead and zoom the camera back out so we can take one last look at this beautiful painting. Hold on. There we go. All right, everyone, what do you think about this painting? I think it's beautiful and really excited to work this one up. Now it will be waiting. I have a few more floral paintings coming my way, so this one will be put off to the side, and I do have plans for these paintings. So stay tuned, because I'm going to be making an announcement for an upcoming event that's going to occur this coming year. I'm not going to give you too much information, but if you're interested in the event, please stay tuned and I'll give you all the details. I'm really excited to share that with you, but it's a little early right now. By saying that, everyone, I want to wish each and every one of you a happy holidays. Please remember to stay safe, stay happy, and most importantly, stay healthy. Again, my name is Jene. Thank you for spending some time with me today on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone, and bye for now.